for someone to bring you flowers. Plant your own. Good morning, my green friends. This here is a small member of the daisy family, the ice flower. It is an easy to grow popular plant in the North Indian gardens. Ice plant flowers add a bright splash of color to the drier parts of your garden, and ice plant care is easy. The hardy ice plant has daisy-like flowers. The ice plant is not called an ice plant because it is cold hardy, but instead due to the fact that the flowers and leaves seem to shimmer as though covered in frost or ice crystals. They have evergreen foliage, so they make a great year-round ground cover. We have sowed them wherever we found some bare browns. Though it is an evergreen plant, it often has some reduction of foliage in the winter. Ice plants prefer full sun but can also tolerate some light shade in the garden. Since they are succulents, they do not like wet soil at all. Beware, wet soil, especially during winter months, can even kill the plants. If you are growing them in an area which is consistently dry, it may even become invasive. So keep in mind that your soil must have just the right amount of moisture. Once they get established, they don't require a lot of care and become easy to grow plants. We grow them on seed trays and then transplant the saplings. Relatively easy to grow, this is a must-plant flower in tropical and subtropical gardens. Please subscribe, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.